Alright, let's do these ribs. We'll do one of them. Holy cow. Barbecue rub. Do one of them Mo Cason competition rib rub. And on both of them, I'm going to put Bad Brian's butt rub on both of them. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get it started. Let me get a little. Yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, got me some apple juice. We bought me a sprayer, Walmart. It's the only one I had in the grilla section. I'm gonna spray them down with some apple juice. You know, there we go. A little apple juice, keep them sweet and keep them juicy, juicy. There we go. One side. All right, get them sprayed down. Lay these in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look like that. 300 degrees, 2.5, 3 hours. See how it goes. I'm going to tell you, I got to clean this table off. We'll be spick and span. If you don't, every fly in the county is going to be over here. They've already started showing up. Clean it up. Wipe it down, all that apple juice and all that sugars and stuff. Oh man, that'd be all over this thing. It's starting to. Oh, also, look, that's some sun tea. I like sun tea. Have y'all ever had sun tea? I grew up on this. Sun tea. There. Yeah, let it sit out for 3-4 hours. Man, that's some good old fresh, beautiful sun tea. Yeah, that's nice. I love it. Take that bitterness out. Yeah, I better clean this table or the flies. Time to check this. Oh yeah, they're looking good. It's looking really good. Zoom in on that a little bit. Good. Spray them down with some apple juice. About every 30 minutes. Draw them out. Check back here. Just another 30 minutes. Alright, let's do it again in another 30 minutes. Spray. Spray, right? Yeah, all apple juice, man. That makes it kind of a little sweet too. Well, that was from the, I thought it was a hair, but it was from that corn stalk, whatever you want to call them. That fat rendering out. We'll go ahead and flip them. Get a flip real quick. Oh, this is really juicy. Man, let's do it this way. Let's do that. Like it's a little dry. That one up there for now. Man, took her way back there. Yeah, I love some ribs. I love some ribs. They're one of my favorite meats. I love cooking them, eating them, sharing them. That way they don't keep them drying out so bad on a low heat. Oh yeah, baby. Looking good. There we go. Back check them after a while. I think it's about time to flip those over. Do a quick spray. Juicy, juicy. And yeah. Oh yeah, good. And I love me some ribs. And instead of 400 times, let's say 400 more. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous ribs. Quick spray. Yeah, we're at 300 degrees, low and slow, a little bit today, a little something different. Shows on back a little bit. A little bit of room. Oh God, yeah. There you go. We'll check back here in a little bit. Oh my God, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. That is pure heaven. Heaven. Juicy those are. Wow. We'll do something. Go ahead and zoom back out a little bit. I'll put these in the back. Oh yeah. Put those in the back. They're about ready. Almost. But not quite. Go ahead and hit it with another spritzer. Yeah. Man, oh man. Whew. I gotta zoom in on this. I gotta do something here. We're gonna do something. I'm gonna show you all this. Look at that. That is pure goodness right there. Oh my gosh. It's good. All right, we'll shut back here just a little bit. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, look at that. Zoom in on that. Oh gosh, look how beautiful that looks. Oh yeah, look at that. I believe these are about ready. Take one off and look at them. Man, look how beautiful that looks. That's good. We get I forgot to bring a knife and everything. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I didn't bring a knife or anything. Whew. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I knocked everything over. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look. Hot. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Did you see that? Look at that. Barely even doing it. Oh my God, they're ready. So ready. The flavor. Flavor. Yeah, keep it from drying out. Oh my gosh. They're good. This is good to go. All right, this first one's ready. Let me get a little tug on this bone here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's hot, all right. Let's see. You see that? Yeah, look at that. Yep. These babies are ready to eat. Man, we're gonna do another taste test on this. I love doing a taste test. Get one here off the end. Can't wait. Here we go. All right, these ribs are done. Man, I think these are gonna be the best ones I've ever done in my life. They look good and juicy. Not as dried out as the last ones. The last ones were very, very good. They were good. But it's a little dry. I noticed that on the outside. We put the apple juice on it. I knew about it. I just forgot about it. I ain't done them in a while. You should do them all the time. So, guess what we're going to do? A little taste test. Yeah, look at that rib, baby. A rib. What do you think about that? Look at that. We're going to taste it. Here we go. What thing? Dude, that is delicious. Good Lord. Not sure which rub that one is. Yeah, dude. It's the meat church rub. That's what it is. It's good. It's really good. They both taste about the same. The Moe's caisson and the meat church. Holy cow. And it tastes similar. They're good. They're both good. Very, very good rubs. So, yeah. Oh my God, that's so freaking awesome. Awesome. It's good. I'm gonna get you another one in that tug. I mean, just a little bit of, just a tug. Not fall off the bone, but it's good. Oh yeah, competition right there now. Wow. That is delicious, man. Well, that's it. That's it for this video. That's good. Can't help it. Woo. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe. Check out my Amazon affiliate links below. I will put them in the description below. Just click on it, look at stuff. Buy something else, it don't matter. You get a little commission off of it, like 4%, maybe 2 to 4%. I don't know, really. I don't know how to keep up with all that stuff. Just whatever they say, you know. But so, hey, thank you for watching. Have a good week, and I'll see you on the next barbecue. Have a good day.